Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing great. Today we're going to dive into one of the most popular and useful features in our software solution developed by Maqbool Solution Software Company. Yes, you guessed it. We're talking about eSalesAnalyst, an all-in-one point-of-sale software packed with powerful and unique features. And today's hot topic? It's the financial closing option. Now listen, if you're running a business that handles a lot of daily transactions, we're talking nearly 200,000 sales invoices per year, not to mention purchases and other operations, then you already know how heavy things can get, right? Eventually, you'd need super-powered hardware just to keep your software running smoothly. More RAM, more storage, more headaches. But wait, don't worry, we've got your back. Our brilliant software team built an amazing module that lets you summarize all your past transactions into a lighter file. Yes, seriously, you go from gigabytes to just megabytes. Isn't that awesome? And guess what? You can still view your past data whenever you want. Win-win. The financial closing feature is not only helpful, it's a total game changer. Imagine this. You've got old customers, suppliers, or items you want to delete, but you can't because of existing transactions. Frustrating, right? Well, after running financial closing, boom, you can delete them safely because now those transactions are part of a closed file. Before or after this process, you can even audit your stock, clean up unused customers, suppliers, or discontinued products, whatever you need. Keep your system tidy and optimized. Now let's talk how to use it. Choose a day that marks month end or year end. That's your closing point. Make sure no other computers in your network are using the system during this. Then go to the Utilities module. But hey, wait, before you close anything, take a backup. Always. Click on Local Backup, pick your drive, create a folder like Last Backup, and hit Save. In a few moments, bam, you'll get a notification. Backup created. Now you're ready. Click on Financial Closing, enter your password, and select a location to save your archive, maybe a folder named Financial Closing. Hit OK. If you've got tons of data, it might take 2 to 3 minutes. Just hang tight. Once it's done, your system will look like a fresh new installation, as if today is day one. You'll only see opening balances for your customers and suppliers, updated cash and bank balances, editable fields to adjust values, and the freedom to delete unused records with no transaction history. Sounds good? It gets even better. You must be wondering, can we still view the old data? Yes, absolutely. Just go back to the Utilities module, click on View Financial Closing, and open your archived file. Boom, everything comes back on screen. But here's a tip. If you changed your username after the closing, you'll need to use the old one to open the file. So yeah, keep that info saved somewhere. Once opened, you can check out reports, histories, invoices, stock info, everything. But remember, you can't create new entries in that file. It's read only. Need to keep that old file open all day? Go for it. When you're done, just close it and jump back into your live software to carry on with new transactions. Oh, and after closing, if you're planning to activate advanced features like units of measurement or tax modules, guess what? You totally can. The new data will support it clean and smooth. Your balance sheets, trial balances, receivables, they'll now reflect the fresh, up-to-date values from your latest closing. Got mismatched balances? No worries. You can fix and reset those opening balances easily and start maintaining your records properly from here on. And that's a wrap for today's session. Hope it all made sense. If you're still confused or unsure about anything, don't hesitate. Just reach out to our support team. We're here for you. Till next time, bye-bye and take care.